Whoa, it is day 19 and there is a ton of algae growth. Also, if I can find him, Gary has gotten quite large. If you're new here, I'm All Things Marine. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you love the ocean as much as I do, and make sure you smash that notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any of the weird ocean creatures that I talk about. Mr. Flatworm is doing just fine. There was Tiny Tim in the background. Mr. Flatworm is crawling around. I don't think that's Mr. Flatworm, but that's a smaller flatworm. That's what he looks like from farther away. I don't know if you guys can see all these little bubbles in here. All those little bubbles right there. That's from the algae, and those are oxygen bubbles. So there's quite a bit of oxygen in this water. We have a little snail friend down here. It might be that smaller one. Gary has gotten a lot bigger actually, but that's not Gary. That plant that was on the surface has actually grown quite a bit. And I don't know, I mean, the only thing I can think of that it might be, I mean, what if it's like a lily pad? I don't know if that's actually what it is, but yeah. Also, you see this little guy right here? That's another flatworm. Right there, very small one. He's moving, well, he's not moving as fast as the other one was, but yeah. Tiny Tim's still here today. He's doing just fine. He's swimming around. He's probably got all the food in the world he needs. He might have grown a little bit. Not much, but there is a whole lot of algae in here, so the visibility is actually starting to go down quite a bit. And you guys have all been waiting for this. This worm thing, while it looks dead, it is not dead. It is still alive. It does not move very fast, but it is still alive. It doesn't move as often. It may not be, one of you guys I think told me that it wasn't a nematode, but I can't remember what you guys said it was. Oh wait, look at this. That's like a fourth flatworm, like the fourth flatworm. There's a bunch of flatworms in here, y'all. I need to do a video on flatworms, shouldn't I? A video on some of the stuff that's in here. That'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it be? Look at all this algae growth. That's so much algae. Barely see anything in there almost. It's kind of cool though. Don't know what that thing floating is right here, but yeah. Here we go, it's moving. It's doing its creepy little dance. Not too sure what he's doing, but ugh, it's freaky. Very freaky. It's weird. Also guys, just want to apologize. My GoPro, after I posted that video yesterday, the screen stopped working on it, so might not see any GoPro videos for a little while because mine isn't working. So I'm pretty upset about that, but just wanted to let you guys know and apologize. I'm sorry about that. Look at this thing go. I don't know what he's doing. It's really freaky. This reminds me of that scene in Nemo where they all let the tank get all nasty. Tiny Tim is doing just fine. Come over here, buddy. There he is. Tiny Tim. Yeah, come say hi. Come say hi. I think he's eating something at the surface. Isn't that a good shot?